Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to save snaps in Gallery without them knowing. First, open Snapchat. Now go in Chats. Open the snap from the person you want to see. After viewing, open the chat. View the picture and press Share. Now go back to the screen. Now go back to your home screen's control panel and turn off Wi-Fi. Now press on airplane mode. Go back into Snapchat option and open the picture and save it. Now open Snapchat again and go onto your profile and press Settings. From here, press Logout and log out from Snapchat. Once logged out, turn off the airplane mode and turn on the Wi-Fi. Open Snapchat again and see that you're logged out. Now uninstall Snapchat from your apps. Once removed, open Play Store and download Snapchat again. Now you can open Snapchat with a clean cache. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe and share the video.